In the news, Netflix Inc., ticker symbol NFLX, is up 6.67%, trading sharply higher pre-market after reporting third quarter 2024 earnings, with adjusted earnings of $5.40 per share and sales of $9.825 billion, beating estimates of $5.12 and $9.769 billion respectively. Paid streaming memberships grew by 14.4% across the globe on a year-over-year basis, and ad-supported memberships grew by 35% quarter-over-quarter, though average revenue per user, or ARPU, was flat year-over-year. The company guided earnings of $4.23 per share and revenue of $10.128 billion for the fourth quarter, noting that they expect a quarter-over-quarter increase in paid net additions. Apple Inc., ticker symbol AAPL, is up 1.83%. Sales of the new iPhone models in China have risen 20% in the first 3 weeks after their launch compared to the performance of the new 2023 models during the same period, according to data from research firm Counterpoint. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models have seen a 44% increase in sales compared to their 2023 counterparts. However, overall, iPhone unit sales in China declined 2% year-on-year due to weaker demand for older models and increased competition from Huawei's Mate and Pura series. Tesla Inc., ticker symbol TSLA, is down 0.58%, trading marginally lower pre-market after the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, announced that it is investigating nearly 2.4 million Tesla vehicles. The agency has identified 4 crashes linked to the full self-driving, or FSD system, which occurred in conditions of reduced roadway visibility caused by sun glare, fog, or dust. One of these incidents involved a fatal pedestrian crash, prompting the investigation to assess FSD's ability to detect and respond in such conditions. Chinese ADRs are up 5.56%, trading sharply higher as a group following a strong session for Chinese stocks overseas, with the CSI 300 index closing 3.6% higher. The rally was driven by comments from President Xi Jinping emphasizing the importance of technology development and supportive central bank measures such as specialized re-lending and liquidity facilities. Separately, China reported GDP growth of 4.6% for the third quarter of 2024, exceeding expectations of 4.5% but marking the country's slowest GDP growth since early 2023. Major players like Baba, Baidu, JD, PDD, Billy, Lai, XPEV, Neo, and ZK are all in focus. Intel Corp is up 0.89%, on watch after CNBC reported that the company is considering selling a minority stake in its Altera unit, valued at around $17 billion, to raise several billion dollars. Intel initially acquired the unit for $16.7 billion back in 2015. This move comes as Intel faces a 50% drop in its stock price and aims to fund its semiconductor fabrication ambitions while seeking strategic or private equity investors. Crypto stocks, up 2.21%, trading higher as a group in tandem with Bitcoin, which reached as high as $68,350 on Friday morning, and is currently trading above $67,800. The asset is recovering from minor weakness during Thursday's session, when it fell below the $67,000 level. Ethereum, which has been consolidated for the last 4 days, is trading above $2,600 as of Friday morning. MSDR, Mara, Coin, Ibit, Ethi, Ibit, Riot, Klesk, Hut. CVS Health Corp, down 12.89%, gapping down after announcing several changes to its executive suite and providing lower than expected guidance for Q3 2024. Karen Lynch has been replaced as the company's CEO, effective Thursday, October 17th, and company executive David Joyner has been announced as her successor. Roger Farah, the company's chairman, has been appointed its executive chairman. CVS also guided adjusted earnings between $1.05 and $1.10 per share for Q3 2024, well below analyst estimates of $1.70. American Express Co., down 4.12%, trading lower pre-market following its Q3 2024 earnings report. The company reported earnings of $3.49 per share, above estimates of $3.28, though sales of $16.636 billion missed estimates of $16.669 billion. American Express raised its guidance for fiscal 2024 to $13.75 to $14.05 from its previous range of $13.30 to $13.80. Low float runners, up 35.17%. Several small-cap stocks with low floats are rallying pre-market. Stocks like Pineapple Energy and Tenon Medical have floats of less than 1 million shares, while stocks including G8 Limited, Akanda Corp and Mango Ceuticals have floats under 2 million shares. Several of these tickers have rallied in the past.